Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to delete Snapchat account permanently in one day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account. It's just easy, just follow these steps. So first thing to do is open the Snapchat app and log into the Snapchat account that you're going to delete. And then on the upper left corner, press that and here you go, the settings by clicking the gear icon at the upper right corner. Scroll down and click on I need help. Scroll down again and select managing account. Delete or reactivate my account. Then press how do I delete Snapchat account. So here, there's an article, the how do I delete my Snapchat account. There will be an instruction on how to delete your account via iOS or via Android. And it says here that after taking the steps to delete your account, it will be first be activated for 30 days. While your account is not activated, your friends will not be on contact or interact with you on Snapchat. So after an additional 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. This means that your account settings, friend snaps, chat, stories, device data, and location data in their main user database will be deleted. They may retain some personal data for certain legal security and business needs. So for more information, let's click the link for privacy policy. So it means that we cannot permanently delete the account in Snapchat in one day, but we will just need to wait for 30 days because that is their policy. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly leave it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!